In this video, you will learn about daily life conversations that Americans do in their daily life. Before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Thank you. Let's go. Meeting at a coffee shop. Hi there. Mind if I join you at this table?
Oh, not at all. Please have a seat.
Thanks. By the way, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Hi, Alex. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Likewise, Emma. Are you a regular here?
No, I'm just here to take a break from work. How about you?
Yeah, I come here often to study. Do you know what you're going to order?
I'm not sure yet. Any recommendations?
The iced latte is pretty good. Or if you're in the mood for something sweet, the caramel macchiato is a hit.
The caramel macchiato sounds tempting. I might give it a try. Thanks, Alex.
Waiting for the bus. Hey, do you know when the next bus is supposed to arrive?
I think it should be here in about 10 minutes. They're usually pretty punctual.
Cool, thanks. I'm Alex, by the way.
Hi, Jake. I'm Emma. Do you take this bus often?
Yeah, almost every day. It's convenient for getting to work. How about you?
Same here. I work downtown, so this bus is my lifeline.
Nice. What do you do downtown?
I'm a graphic designer at a small firm. How about you?
I'm a software developer at a tech startup. It's pretty fun most of the time. Waiting in line at the bank. Hi there. Do you know if this line moves quickly?
Hey, I think it usually does, especially around this time. By the way, I'm Emma. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Alex. Are you here to deposit or withdraw?
I'm here to deposit a check. How about you?
Same here. Just need to transfer some funds. Do you come to this branch often?
Not really. I usually go to the one closer to my house, but it was closed today. What about you?
Yeah, I come here occasionally. It's not too far from my workplace. Waiting for a job interview. Hi there. Are you here for the interview too?
Yeah, I am. Nervous, to be honest. By the way, I'm Emma. What's your name?
Hi, Emma. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. Don't worry, you'll do great. Which position are you interviewing for?
I'm here for the administrative assistant position. How about you?
I'm interviewing for the marketing assistant role. Do you have any experience in administration?
Yeah, I've been working in administration for a few years now. What about you?
I've interned at a couple of agencies during college. Hopefully it will help me land this job. Attending a community event. Hi there. Are you enjoying the event?
Hey, yeah, it's pretty nice. By the way, I'm Emma. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Alex. Did you come alone?
No, I came with a couple of friends. How about you?
Same here. It's always more fun to experience these things with friends, right?
Absolutely. So what brings you to this event?
Just heard about it through some flyers around town. Thought it'd be a nice way to spend the afternoon. How about you?
I saw it on social media and thought it sounded interesting.
Waiting for a table at a restaurant? Hi there. Do you know if there's usually a wait for a table here?
Hey, it depends on the time, but it shouldn't be too long. By the way, I'm Emma. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Alex. Are you dining alone?
No, I'm meeting a friend here. How about you?
Same here. Just meeting up with some buddies for dinner. Have you been here before?
Yeah, a few times. The food is pretty good and the service is usually quick.
Waiting for the subway? Hi, do you know when the next train is coming?
Hey, I think it should be here in about 5 minutes. By the way, I'm Emma. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Alex. Do you take the subway often?
Yeah, I use it every day to get to work. How about you?
Same here. It's convenient for getting around the city. What do you do for work?
I work at a marketing agency downtown. How about you?
I'm a software developer at a tech startup. Do you enjoy working in marketing?
Yeah, I do. It's fast-paced, but I like the creativity involved.
Waiting in line at the movie theater. Hi there. Do you know if there's usually a long line for tickets?
Hey, it depends on the movie, but it should move quickly. By the way, I'm Emma. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Alex. Are you seeing a particular movie tonight?
Yeah, I'm excited to see the new action movie that just came out. How about you?
I'm thinking of seeing the comedy that's playing. Do you come to this theater often?
Sometimes. It's convenient since it's close to my apartment. How about you?
Same here. Plus, they usually have a good selection of movies. Waiting at the airport gate before boarding. Hi there. Are you on the same flight as me?
Hey, I think so, yeah. By the way, I'm Emma. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Alex. Where are you headed?
I'm flying to Chicago for a business trip. How about you?
I'm heading to Los Angeles for a vacation. Have you been to Chicago before?
Yes, a few times. It's a great city. How about you in Los Angeles?
I've never been, so I'm pretty excited. Any recommendations for things to do in Chicago? Waiting for a friend in a park? Hi. Are you waiting for someone too?
Hey, yeah, I am. By the way, I'm Emma. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Alex. Do you come to this park often?
Yeah, it's one of my favorite spots in the city. How about you?
Same here. It's peaceful, and I like that there are always interesting events going on. What brings you to the park today?
I'm meeting a friend for a picnic. How about you?
I'm meeting up with some friends to play frisbee. It's such a beautiful day for it. Joining a gym. Hey, Alex, I heard you're thinking about joining a gym.
Hi. Yeah, I've been looking into a few options nearby. I'm just not sure which one to choose.
It can be overwhelming with all the choices out there. Have you considered what kind of workouts you enjoy?
Not really. I'm pretty new to this whole gym thing.
No worries. Maybe start with a gym that offers a variety of classes so you can try different things and see what you like.
That sounds like a good idea. I'll look into it.
Discussing mental health days. I've been feeling burnt out lately. Do you ever take mental health days off from work?
Absolutely. Taking time off to focus on your mental well-being is so important. Have you talked to your boss about it?
Not yet. I'm worried they might not understand.
It's worth having a conversation with them. Many workplaces are becoming more supportive of mental health days as part of employee well-being initiatives.
You're right. I'll schedule a meeting with them and see what they say. Thanks for the advice. Encouraging each other for a morning run. The weather looks perfect for a morning run tomorrow. Want to join me?
That sounds like a great idea, but I'm not much of a morning person.
Come on, it'll be fun. Plus, it's a great way to start the day feeling energized and refreshed.
All right, you've convinced me. Let's do it. Thanks for the motivation.
Discussing the importance of hydration. I've been feeling really tired lately, even though I'm getting enough sleep. Any ideas?
It could be dehydration. Are you drinking enough water throughout the day?
Now that you mention it, I don't think I am. I tend to forget to drink water when I'm busy.
It happens to the best of us. Try carrying a water bottle with you and setting reminders to drink throughout the day. It might help boost your energy levels.
That sounds like a simple solution. I'll give it a try. Thanks. Planning a home workout routine. I've been thinking about starting a home workout routine. Do you have any tips?
Sure, you can start with bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges. They're effective and don't require any equipment.
That sounds good. How often should I work out?
Aim for at least 3 to 4 times a week, but listen to your body and adjust as needed.
Got it. Thanks for the advice. Sharing healthy snack ideas. I've been trying to snack healthier, but I'm running out of ideas. Any suggestions?
Sure, you can try things like Greek yogurt with berries, mixed nuts, or sliced veggies with hummus.
Those sound delicious. I'll give them a try.
No problem. Let me know if you need more ideas.
Discussing the benefits of meditation. I've heard that meditation can help with stress. Have you tried it?
Yes, I meditate regularly, and it's made a big difference in my stress levels and overall well-being.
That's interesting. How do you get started with meditation?
There are many apps and guided meditation videos online that can help you get started. It's all about finding what works for you.
I'll look into it. Thanks for sharing your experience. Setting health goals. I want to focus more on my health this year. Any advice on setting goals?
Start by setting specific, achievable goals, like exercising 3 times a week or cooking at home more often.
That makes sense. How do you stay motivated to stick to your goals?
I find it helpful to track my progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Having a support system also makes a big difference.
Thanks for the tips. I'll keep them in mind as I work towards my health goals. Discussing the importance of sleep. Lately, I've been feeling tired all the time, even though I get plenty of sleep. Any ideas on what might be causing it?
It could be the quality of your sleep rather than the quantity. Have you tried establishing a bedtime routine?
Not really. What do you suggest?
Try winding down before bed with activities like reading or taking a warm bath. Also, make sure your bedroom is conducive to sleep by keeping it dark and cool.
I'll give that a try. Thanks for the advice. Sharing healthy habits. I've been trying to adopt healthier habits, but it's been challenging. Any tips?
Start small and focus on one habit at a time. For example, you could start by drinking more water throughout the day or adding more vegetables to your meals.
That sounds doable. How do you stay consistent with your healthy habits?
I find it helpful to set reminders on my phone and track my progress in a journal. It also helps to have a support system to hold you accountable.
I'll give that a try. Thanks for the advice. Talking about the benefits of outdoor activities. I've been feeling a bit stressed lately. Do you think spending time outdoors could help?
Absolutely. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress levels and improve overall well-being.
That sounds promising. What outdoor activities do you recommend?
Hiking, biking, or even just taking a leisurely walk in the park can do wonders for your mental health.
I'll give it a try. Thanks for the suggestion. Sharing personal fitness goals. I've been wanting to get in better shape, but I'm not sure where to start.
It could be running a certain distance, lifting a certain weight, or improving your flexibility.
That sounds like a good idea. How do you stay motivated to reach your fitness goals?
I find it helpful to set both short-term and long-term goals and track my progress along the way. It also helps to find activities that you enjoy and look forward to doing.
Thanks for the advice. I'll keep that in mind as I work towards my fitness goals.